Walk on YouTube, man like period. And today I'm doing a little McDonald's challenge. 2 large Big Mac meals and 2 drinks. As quick as possible. Yes, you see me munching away. Post leg day, getting in them calories. Cause I'm trying to get big. Like Mount Everest. You feel me? Man, it's been a while since I had McDonald's, and I'm doing that eat out to help out thing, so it's cheaper. Yeah, taking advantage, man. I'm just thinking, damn, this Big Mac, decent, but it's not everyday thing. It's never everyday thing. I can chill. I'm not gonna be like you, man, having McDonald's every day again. Yes, sir. Going in on that Big Mac. Getting as much of that lettuce up as possible. Sucking it up. Eating my sandwich. You feel me? And then washing it down with that big boy Oasis. Oh boy, get it out the screen, get it out the screen. You blocking the screen. You ain't doing it right, man. Move it, move the drink. Go on, I'm about to move. Yeah. No? Man's just interested in munching. Say no more. Yeah, eating a second Big Mac, you know. This meal was nothing. But when I had the second Big Mac and fries, you know, filled me up decently. Wow. Yes, sir, I'm tucking into that. Alright, stay tuned to the end of the video to see my socials and to see how long it takes me to destroy this meal. Later, man, down.
Please wait here, please, yeah? Customers will know please wait here, please. Customers will know please wait here, please, yeah?